Yaya.
Sa bongbong. Tanan. Marami.
Why?
Wait lang, kaya ginamitan ko before corn coffee.
Ano?
Paano isa ko doon?
Oh no! Oh my God. Mayroon.
To my best friend, it has been years of knowing you, and I'm so grateful that you're part of my life as my bestie. Congratulations on your wedding. So happy to celebrate this special day, though I'm not physically there, wishing you a lifetime of love and happiness. Someday, when we meet again, tell me everything about the wedding. But till then, always be you and yourself. I love you, Danny.
Congratulations, James and Bo! Best wishes from Canada Team! Yay!
Hello, Denise and Bo. Greetings from Canada. Wish ko lang sa inyong dua more love and happiness. Good luck. Congratulations.
Hi, Bo and James. Greetings from the honeymoon capital, Niagara Falls. We wanted to extend our congratulations to your new chapter of your life. We are so happy and excited for the two of you.
And just for your information, in the Filipino pronunciation of Niagara Falls is Niagara Falls.
Congratulations again!
Congrats. Well done.
I wish you happy ever after!
Congratulations, cousin!
Sorry we missed it.
Sorry we missed it.
Yeah, I wish we will be there to celebrate this day. But we were so happy to both of you. We love you.
Mommy, give birth here.
Yabag ba? Congratulations, Beshi! Ooh, Luna is so happy for you too. Greeting na with me. Besh, nana dyan kay certification for the Pukeng Kai. This is it na good, Besh. Sure na good ka. Ay, si Bo, di akong pangutan noon na, Bo, sure na dyan ka. Congratulations! We pray, Besh, nga ka nang mag-multiplication na mo, Besh. Kaya parang nanay baby, Besh, no. Nanay cousin si Luna. Besh, enjoy lang. Have a happy marriage. Always loving, and aham. Love you, miss you. Kiss Luna.
Hi Besh, I miss you. Siguro may ikapulo ko na nga retake. But anyways, short and simple message lang ni, but it really comes from my heart. I just want to say, although our time together had been short, but I'm still thankful that you remember me in your very special day. I can't be there in person. I feel bad about it. But my heart is so happy that you were able to found the love of your life. I'm wishing you both a lifetime of love, happiness, and laughter as you begin your journey together. Congratulations on your wedding day, and I wish you all the best. Take care and God bless. I miss you.
Hi Dane, hi Bo. Congratulations on your wedding day. I hope ara ko da, pero lain ang plano ni Lord. I'm so happy for the both of you, and I pray that this new chapter in your lives will give you more happiness, success, love, and blessings. I'll see you guys when you get back here in Canada.
To Danes and Serbo, congrats on your special day and best wishes. Hope to see you soon.
Bigo, Bo, congrats sa inyo ni Daniel. Hopefully, all the best to your marriage, man, and hopefully to see you soon.
Hello there, my dear brother Jomar, and to your beloved wife Danielle. Congratulations on your wedding. May your marriage be filled with joy, laughter, and unforgettable moments. May our God will bless you and your soon-to-be family. Congratulations once again, and see ya.
Hi, Paring Mark. Congrats sa upcoming wedding to you and your wife. I hope you have a blessed and happy and long life together. Again, best wishes, and hope to see you soon in the future. Congrats.
Hello, Joe Mark. Congratulations sa inyong mga wedding. Thank you gid sa pag-invite. Pasensya gid kung di kami kapuli sa Pinas para mag-witness ang imong mga wedding, pero nalipay kami para sa imong mega. And thank you gid sa pag-message. Biskan tuod nga dugay na tawala ka kita nay. Nadumduman mo kami ni Luke para mag-imbitar sang imong nga wedding. And congratulations liwat meg sa inyo ni Daniel. Have a safe trip and enjoy ang wedding. God bless you.
Congratulations Ding and Bo. May karapatan ako magambal. Welcome to the married life.
Congratulations.
Miskan 10 days apart lang gali. Ding, kabalo ko dugay mo na niging hulat. Amo na ni siya. Bo, ang mambay ko lang, halungan mo si Daniel. Hindi mo siya pagutman, ang mo ginang pinaka-importante sa tanan. Kaya magutman si Daniel, dalasa kita tanan. Kag, ang pinaka-importante nga message.
Ang mga advice ko lang, basta happy wife, happy life. Congratulations.
Congrats! Miss you!
Hi guys! Hi din. Tol. Grabe. Ang handom gagdumot. Halin ba sang college, halin ba sang second year college, namangkot kagitsakon. Kaya may kabalo ka nga kilanay kami, family friend kami. Halin pa sang dito nga chimpo, type mo na sa. Di siyempre ako, tuwi ang mga impormasyon. Pero bilib ko kayo yung sige nyo gano'n inyong magpalangga. Ikaw tol, nag-aapas ka gano'n, bilib ko na kabudlay sa chimpos mong pagtagig kabudlay. Subong, happy ko para sa inyo, happy ko para sa parents nyo, sa mga kauturan nyo, nga kamuno da yung naging kamo kapag pugsige sa magpalangga nyo. Kita ko gid na magpalangga mo siya halin pa sang college nga tanan, halos ng tanan ba ako magit para siya. I wish you all the best. Put God in the center of your family, and hopefully sa sunod makakita na kita, makakita-together kita. Kabay pa. And may He guide us all sa aton nga mga endeavor, sa aton nga mga plano, sa aton kabuhi. Congrats and best wishes. See you soon.
Hi, Pete. Congratulations on your wedding day. I wish you both a lifetime of happiness and love and an endless adventure. I want nothing more but for you to be happy with the person you become. Cheers to the happily ever after. The four of us.
Congratulations again.
Hi, Becca. Congratulations and best wishes sa inyo ni Sir Bo. Sorry if hindi ko ka-busy ng special day today, but I hope you had a good one. And like a wish ko lang is happiness and comfort ni Sir Bo throughout your marriage and as husband and wife. And see you soon.
Hello, Joe Mark and Daniela. I hope everything is going well for you guys. Hope your marriage is going to be good and take care of everything you need to take care of before. And I love you guys and God bless, and I hope everything is good for you. Have a good marriage and reception and enjoy all the family. Love you. Bye.
Joe Mark, Din, congratulations. I heard that you were together since you were 15, and with that kind of loyalty and purity, I'm sure you're going to have a forever love, like I have a forever love. We'll be coming to the Philippines to see the family around Christmas, and Joe Mark, Din, you're in Canada, we're in the United States. It's not that far, so we'll see you soon. Enjoy the festivities, enjoy the wedding. I'm sure you're excited, and I love you.
Congrats, guys. Enjoy the wedding. God bless.
Hi, Joe Mark and Daniela. I guess you guys are in the Philippines by now, getting ready for your wedding, which I'm sure you're both getting a little bit nervous at this time. But I'm sure you'll have a great day. We hope you have a nice wedding and a great reception, and everybody there has a really good time. Sorry we couldn't make it. It just didn't work out because we moved back to Canada. We bought a house here in Ituna, Saskatchewan, and we've been very busy getting resettled back in Canada. As you can see, winter is back here. It's snowing outside even as we do this video. You can see out the front window there, it's kind of white. But hopefully by weekend we'll be back into the warmer temperatures again. So anyways, we hope you guys have a great time there and a great reception and have a lot of fun. And myself and Jean and Bridget wish you and Daniela happiness and peace and productive marriage.
Hi, congratulations, Uncle Joe Mark and Auntie Daniela. I hope you have a wonderful wedding, and I hope you have a good time in the Philippines.
Congratulations, Joe Mark and Daniela. I wish all the best in life. I hope see you soon here in Canada when you're coming back, and congratulations.
Okay, have a great time until we meet again.
I love you, Joe Mark.
I hope the family has a good time at the wedding. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Though miles may separate us on this joyous day, our hearts are with you as you embark on this beautiful journey together. While we may not be able to witness your vows in person, know that our thoughts, love, and best wishes are with you every step of the way.
Congratulations, Tall, Joe Mark, and Daniel on your wedding day. And may it be everything you have ever dreamed of and more. Cheers.
Hi, Din. Congrats sa inyong aduan ni Mark. Congratulations sa inyong big day. Enjoy gining ninyo ang moment with your families and friends. Isa na sa mga biggest turning points sa inyong kabuhi, i-treasure nyo gid ni. Sorry gid nga wala kami da ka-witness ha. Pasensya gid. Advice, advice ko man. Open communication. Kung may problema ka mo, istoryahan nyo gid ng adwa. Ano nyo gid na ang binutig. Nalikawan nyo gid na. Kay gamay man o dako, binutig man agapon. Oo, sige na Yumi. No pressure. Enjoy nyo gid ang inyong journey. Hindi ka mo magpa-apekto sa hambal sa ibang nga tao. duha ka mo importante, duha ka mo gatsindianay, kag duha ka mo gapalanggaanay. Nablos mo pero tiga pabaan, no? Travel more, eat more, kag pray, put God first, good for me. Ngayon, may dali-ligyan. Oh, say congratulations na kayo maninang Dins. I love you pa.
Love you, Nana Dins.
Bye!
Hi Danes and Bo, congratulations. I wish I could be there to celebrate the love with you guys. But anyways, may your marriage last for a lifetime. Then as you start this new chapter in your lives together, may your commitment and love grow stronger and deeper. Put God first in the center of your love as foundation. And then, Danes, always remember, I always have your back. Okay? And Bo, please take good care of Daniel, our little Daniel, not so little anymore. And welcome to the family, bro. Bye-bye. Congratulations.
Hi, Danes. Hi, Bo. Big congratulations to both of you. I know you have waited for this very big moment and now it's here. So I am very, very happy for this. There would be some challenges, I know. There would be some hiccups, but that is the reality. Maybe what I could give you bilang ninong nyo o ninong is that I'm here to guide you in some sense, especially sa challenges. I will always be here for you. One thing also I would like to share to you is that love is confusing. Sometimes you hate the one that you love, and sometimes parang hindi ka mabuhi kung wala siya. Away-away, gamay, tapos minsan ga-escalate. So you don't really know how to manage this. It is based on emotions eventually. A friend of mine mentioned to me one time na, pre, bakit pa kuno nag-aaway-away, at the end of the day, migahay. Which is true. So, nga maawayan tabi. So, I always explain that one to Tita mo Mary Ann. Nagkakadlaw-kadlaw lang siya. Siguro, it always good nga may away-away. Good. I agree. But it is very confusing. There is no such thing as the one, just like Anakin Skywalker from Star Wars, and later on there's another, the one, which is Luke Skywalker. So there is no such thing as that. You choose to be with someone, and how do you know if it works? Nobody knows eventually how it works. So you manage that one along the way, how you balance, how you try to make sense of it all. Sometimes you ask yourself na, paano na siya nag-workout? Paano naging perfect, no? It's not, there is no perfect person. Si Boo will never be perfect for you, and you either will never be perfect for everyone sa tanan-tanan nga angles. You will never be perfect. But as long as you have the perfect intention, you will be okay. You'll be okay. Both of you will be okay. Yeah, so there are so many things that will happen along the way, and based on that, what I feel and what I always try to hang on to is that yeah, love is very confusing. Sometimes our thinking is also giving us doubts. It's fooling us. Sometimes kung anong gusto mo mabatian, mo na lang gusto mo kwaon. So I always do what God whispers to us. Listen to your spirit. Listen to your instinct. I think that is the only way that God connected to us. So again, congratulations to both of you. My apologies, wala ko dira. I tried to make it, but unfortunately there are so many complications. But I'm so very, very happy for both of you. Congratulations. Maybe last message would be is that Bo, Danes is our sweetheart baby Cologne. Please take care of her. I know for sure that you will take care of her forever. For Danes, Bo is someone that is not related, which means na hindi siya katulad ni Papa mo na no matter what he is there. Hindi siya katulad sa mga pamilya mo that no matter ginaaway mo, ara na sila. Bo is something different. He's outside your circle and he choose to love you. So give him respect on that one, and I think that is very important for men. So that's it. Congratulations again, and may you always be showered with God's grace. We love you both. Bye-bye.
Hello, Danes and Sir Bo. Congratulations on your wedding day. Sorry, yun yung wala ko da. So, kabalo ko di Danes na ginadamgo kung gini. Nga ako lang da ko no isang wala nag-attend. Kag grabe, until now, do hindi ko gyapon maka-get over nga wala ako da sa imo special day. But guys, please know that my thoughts and my best wishes are with you from afar. First of all, Danes, from the moment that we've met sa high school, you're not just a friend for me, you're like a sister. And miss ko na ang mga overnight sa inyong balay. Actually, ikaw, nung tamo kagid na introduce sa ako niya, something new sa life ko. Kag sa pilata ka years niya, pagiging friends, no witness, mong tanan ang mga major events sa life ko. And also, I'm rooting for both of you guys. And I love you and best wishes. And I cannot wait na magkita na ita really soon. Love you. Congratulations.
Hi, people of Bacolod. I'm Claire. I'm one of the best friends of the bride, Daniel. Cheers for the beautiful couple. Shot po na. Anyways, nag-meet kami i-story ako lang kung paano kami nag-meet ni Daniel before. Kay very unique kid siya. Double chin ko. Anyway, nag-meet kami ni Daniel because same kami bio. Kung taga Sinjo ka mo, familiar ka mo sa mga house, the same kami house, which is House of Saint Miguel. So yellow ang amon i-use. And then that day, ara siya sa tubang ko, nakibot ko, kay hambal ko nga sa likod, isang bayo niya nga, nakaparehas kami bayo aw. Tapos si Jed tupad, and then kinabal siya ni Jed nga, Danes, parehas ka mo bayo. Hindi yan gintulo ko ni Danes. Hindi na rin kabalo kung paano, pero amo na nag-start ang amon friendship because parehas kami bayo. So, kami set up, ka naman. Anyway, congratulations to both of you. Nga, subong na ako magpakasal. Nga rin ako wala ko da. Dapat hubog da. Anyway, I'm so happy for both of you. Si Daniel da mo, gid siya na agyan. Sila relationship as well as Bo. But I'm so happy na they ended up together. But I'm so happy nga this day. You're so both beautiful. And gina-wish ko gid na maging fruitful and blessed ang inyong married life, and soon sa inyong mga kids. Ari lang ko if anything happens, I will always be here for you. I'm so lucky to have Daniel. Si Daniel, gid ang friend nga gatipon sa mon tanan miskin busy kami, miskin busy siya. Maka-receive agad per me text nga din ka mo karon, kulbaan ka na. Kami matabo gid na. It's either kaon or basta kabalo na ka man na. Hi tita, hi tito. And tubo, please take care of Daniel. Kabalogi ko na important siya sa mo, so I hope asasoli amo nang pag-treat mo sa iya. Kaya kung hindi, kantahan ta kalarawang kupas, ha? Okay? Right. Also, before this video ends, may ako special guest, super special guest for you. Wait lang.
Hi Sisi, congratulations! You deserve box. Cheers!
Hi to my OG, Jed, Ning, Nikki, Yale. Please, hindi ko mag-enjoy too much. Amo na ginahama ni Daniel daan kung wala siya. So, please lang, hindi ko mag-enjoy. Enjoy the rest of the night, guys. Best wishes to my best friend and to my best friend's husband. Congratulations, both. Cheers! Chat ko no.